Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up shared access in US Bank online banking. First thing I want you to do once you're logged into your dashboard, come here to the top, click on a profile and settings, and then click here on login preferences. Then here under security, click on enroll now for shared access. And what I want you to do, enter the 6-digit verification code they'll send you to your phone number. Then click here on continue. After that, you read the terms and service, click on continue again. And now once your enrollment is complete, you can click on add user, can click on add user again. They'll ask you how they should log in. So they can either log in with the existing login for their usbank.com, or you can create a new usbank.com username for them. We'll choose that one. We'll click here on continue after we enter their login credentials. Click on continue, then choose the accounts you want to share access with them. Right here, click on continue, and now you just go ahead and verify everything and submit this, and you're basically done. Really that easy, and that is how to set up shared access in US Bank online banking. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.